Oh, we rollin'? Okay. Hi, I'm Aunt AI. Think of me as your favorite aunt. The one who explains things over sweet tea, with no eye rolls allowed. If AI stuff makes your eyes glaze over, good. You're exactly who this channel is for. Maybe your kids keep saying it. Just ask ChatGPT. Maybe the news makes it sound like the robots are taking over. Take a breath, baby. We're going to sort through all of it together, one cup of coffee at a time. Every week, I break down one AI tool or idea in plain English. No jargon, no tech background needed. We'll cover the good stuff, how to spot a scam, and how to make AI help with recipes, photos, and emails, even keeping up with the grandkids. Yes, honey, there's an app for that. And I'll show you which ones matter. And when something sounds too good to be true, I'll tell you straight. No hype, no fear-mongering. Around here, it's simple. No jargon, no judgment. Just AI made simple. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit subscribe, and let's make AI make sense. Together. Now go on, hit that button, grab your tea, and I'll see you Tuesday. Aunt AI out.